Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all our viewers. This is our educational channel Learning Biology Online. I am Dr. Asad, and in this lecture we will continue with another important phylum of the kingdom fungi known as the Deuteromycetes. So by the end of this lecture you should be able to answer the following questions, that includes how Deuteromycetes are unique from other fungi. We will highlight their characteristic features. We will also discuss what modes of reproduction may exist in the Deuteromycetes, and finally we will also cover the concept of parasexuality that has been observed in case of the Deuteromycetes. So first of all we will go through the structure of Deuteromycetes that belong to the phylum of Deuteromycota. They are also known as imperfect fungi on certain bases, but yet they have a lot of similarities on structural basis with the Asco and Basidiomycetes. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं presence of septate hyphae and their reproduction through conidiospores. ठीक है, but where the difference actually comes in is that इनमें सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन की जो ऑर्गन्स हैं और जो एक डिटेल प्रोसीजर होता है स्ट्रक्चरल सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का, जो हम तीनों डिफरेंट फाइलम्स में पढ़ के आए हैं, वो इनमें एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. ठीक है, सो ओनली ए सेक्सुअल फॉर्म ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन थ्रू कोनिडियोस्पोर्स हैज़ बीन reported in them, and scientists they are still to found out if there is any sexual reproductive activity going within them. ठीक है, so that is why they are placed in a separate phylum and they are known as the imperfect fungi. ठीक है, so they can exist in colonial form. ठीक है, that are circular colonies, and they also give different specific colors to their colonies as well. ठीक है, तो एक बड़ी important type जो conidiospores की exist करती है that is penicillium, जिसके हम different जो commercial uses का हमें पता भी है, और अपने next lecture में हम तमाम के तमाम जो kingdom fungi के organisms हैं उनके और specifically penicillium के भी जो कमर्शियल यूजेस में इसके फंक्शंस हैं उनको स्टडी करेंगे. So as we have already discussed that the type of asexual reproduction occurring within the Deuteromycetes is through conidia that are basically found on the modified ends of the septate hypha known as the conidiospores. ठीक है, so whenever there is favorable environment, the conidiospores that are the asexual spores they will cut off from the hypha that are the conidiospores. ठीक है, उससे कोनिडिया कट ऑफ होंगे and then they can spread through different media. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं जैसे कि हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा था कोनिडिया के बारे में कि ये किस तरह से जो है इनका माइसीलियम स्ट्रक्चर होता है. ठीक है, with extensions that are known as the hypha. ठीक है, so these hypha are septate with their own nuclei within them. ठीक है, so इस तरह की जो septate hyphal extensions होती हैं उसकी तरह से उनके जो modified ends हैं. ठीक है, अभी हम एक septate hypha और उसमें nuclei को शो कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, so this is how the hypha of the conidia it looks like. ठीक है, in case of penicillium as well. और फिर इनकी जो extensions हैं that are the extensions of hypha, multiple extensions known as the conidiospores. ठीक है, once again all of these extensions they are segmented with their own nuclei. ठीक है, और इनके ends के ऊपर जो है there is existence of conidia in this circular fashion in form of cluster or chain. ठीक है, so इस तरह से जो septate hypha के ऊपर इनको के हमने इनके जो modified ends हैं that are known as the conidiospores, इनके end के ऊपर इस तरह से circular cluster या chain form में conidia present होते हैं. Asexual reproduction जब होनी होती हैं तो they will cut off from this region, they will spread through air or wind, और किसी भी अपनी favorable environment में जाके they will germinate and produce new hypha mycelium, then their branches that are the septate hypha, and then they once again grow into a mature conidia. So this is how the mechanism of asexual reproduction has been reported in case of the conidia. Another very important phenomena that has been reported in case of Penicillium and the Aspergillus species is the genetic recombinant ability known as parasexuality, जिसमें कि क्या होता है कि जो हाइफा होते हैं हमारे पास Aspergillus या Penicillium की, that is a septate hypha that may contain two nuclei within a same segment. ठीक है, और ये दो न्यूक्लियाई के क्रोमोसोम्स हैं, they exchange their parts, ठीक है, within this septate hypha, and this activity is known as parasexuality. ठीक है, so a genetic recombinant ability during which chromosomes of the two different nuclei within a hypha, they are going to exchange a portion of themselves. ठीक है, so ये फिनोमेना अक्सर ऑब्वियसली हमें वैसे तो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में देखने को मिलता है, बट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द यूनिक फीचर्स. ठीक है, कि जो सेप्टेट हाइफा में न्यूक्लियाई प्रेजेंट होते हैं, दे माइट एक्सचेंज देयर पार्ट्स. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज़ नोन एज द जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन. ठीक है, कि टू न्यूक्लियाई या टू डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम्स दे एक्सचेंज देयर पार्ट. Do like and share our video with other students as well, and in the comment section do mention if you have any relevant questions as we have covered very important characteristics of the imperfect fungi. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so you can receive new video notifications on regular basis. Thank you very much.